Good morning, everybody. I introduce myself. My name is Henson. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mathematics, St.Joseph's College of Arts and Science, Cuddalore. I am going to teach numerical analysis for first MSc Mathematics. Unit 1. Topic is nonlinear equation. Now we are going to solve a nonlinear equation by Newton-Raphson method. Now I am going to explain the procedure for Newton-Raphson method. Let f of x equal to 0 with a given nonlinear equation. Assume that the root of the equation f of x equal to 0 lies between a and b. Let x naught be the initial approximation. The formula for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. So from this formula, we write the successive approximations. x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 by f dash of x3. We continue this process until the required accuracy is attained. So using this procedure, now we are going to solve the equation using Newton-Raphson method. Right, this is the problem. Find a real root of x cube minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method or NR scheme correct to 5 decimal places. Now we write the solution for this problem. First, you take the given equation as f of x. f of x equal to x cube minus 2x minus 8 equal to 0. Now we are going to find the location of the root. That means in which interval the root lies. That is to be identified. So for this, we go for the change of sign for different values. F of 0 is negative. F of 1 is negative. F of 2 is negative. F of 3 is positive. Here the change of sign occurs between 2 and 3. Therefore, the root lies in the interval 2, 3. Now we have to choose the initial approximation x naught. So we can take x naught equal to 2.5. Now f of x equal to x cube minus 2x minus 8. Now we find a differentiation. F dash of x equal to 3x square minus 2. The successive approximations can be obtained from the Newton-Raphson method formula. Xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. Now we calculate the first approximation x1 equal to x naught minus f of x naught by f dash of x naught. Now we substitute the x naught value, that is 2.5 minus f of 2.5 divided by f dash of 2.5. That is equal to 2.5 minus 2.62500 divided by 16.75000. This value can be obtained by substituting 2.5 in f of x and f dash of x. So when you calculate this, we get the first approximation x1 equal to 2.34328. Next, we calculate the second approximation. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. Now we substitute the x1 value in x2. Here we get 2.34328 minus f of 2.34328 divided by f dash of 2.34328. When you substitute this value in f of x and f dash of x, we get this expression. Then when you simplify this, we get the second approximation x2 equal to 2.33082. Next, we calculate the third approximation. x3 is equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. That is equal to x2. Here x2 value is 2.33082. Now we substitute here in f of x and f dash of x, and we can evaluate that value, and we can simplify this. Then finally we get a x3 value as 2.38075. Next we calculate x4 value. x4 value is x3 minus f of x3 by f dash of x3. Now we substitute x3 value in x4, we get this expression. When you evaluate this, then we get the answer. The fourth approximation, x4 equal to 2.33075. Since the successive approximations are same at third and fourth iterations, therefore the root converges. Therefore, the root is 2.38075. This completes the first problem. Similarly, we can do the third problem. Similarly, we can do the second problem. Find a real root of x cube minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method correct to 5 decimal places. Now we write the solution. First, you take f of x as x cube minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. Now we find f of 0. F of 0 is negative, f of 1 is negative, f of 2 is negative, f of 3 is positive. Here the change of sign occurs between 2 and 3. Therefore, the root lies in the interval 2, 3. Now we choose the initial approximation x0, that is 2.5. So here f of x is x cube minus 5x minus 6. F dash of x is 3x square minus 5. The successive approximations are xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. Now we calculate the first approximation x1. x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash of x0. Now we can substitute the x0 value here. That is 2.5. So f of 2.5 by f dash of 2.5. When you substitute these values, we get the answer 2.70907. That is the first approximation. Now we calculate the second approximation. x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. Now we substitute x1 value in x2. We get x2 value as 2.68929. Similarly, we find the third approximation, x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 divided by f dash of x2. Now we substitute the x2 value in x3 and we calculate this expression. Then we finally get x3 equal to 2.68910. Similarly, we calculate the fourth approximation x4 equal to x3 minus f of x3 by f dash of x3. That is equal to 2.68910 minus f of 2.68910 divided by f dash of 2.68910. Now we simplify this, we get the x4 value as 2.68910. So here x3 and x4, they are equal. Since the successive approximations are same at the third and fourth iterations, therefore the root converges. Therefore the root is 2.68910. So this completes the second problem. Similarly, we can do the third problem. Find a real root of 3x minus cos x minus 1 equal to 0 using Newton-Raphson method correct to 4 decimal places. Now we write the solution. F of x equal to 3x minus cos x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we find the location of the root. Here f of 0 is negative, f of 1 is positive. Therefore, the root lies in the interval 0, 1. Let x0 equal to 0.5 be the initial approximation. Now we calculate f of x and f dash of x. Here f dash of x 3 point sin x. The formula for Newton-Raphson method is xn plus 1 equal to xn minus f of xn by f dash of xn. The successive approximations are x1 equal to x0 minus f of x0 by f dash of x0. Now we can substitute x0 equal to 0.5 in this formula. Then we get the first approximation x1 equal to 2.11730 divided by 3.47943. So the first approximation is 0.60852. So similarly we calculate the second approximation x2 equal to x1 minus f of x1 by f dash of x1. To find x2 we need x1 value. So x1 value is substituted in this expression and it is to be simplified. Then we get the answer x2 equal to 0.60710. Similarly we calculate x3 value. x3 equal to x2 minus f of x2 by f dash of x2. To find x3, we need x2 value, and that value is to be substituted in this expression. Then when you simplify this, we can get x3 equal to 0.60710. Since the successive approximations are same at second and third iterations, therefore the root converges. Therefore, the root is 0.60710. Thank you.
அப்படியே வச்சுட்டு வாங்க.